Yes, it's a much bigger room, but it does have its drawbacks.
No today, it is great personal note and comes in awesome black.
About 1,000 rounds into it.
And then just takes a triple off steel wool and a nice color.
Hey guys, this is West here with Wolfworks again, and finally after much procrastination, much setting up, and finally finding the right video editor for all this, as well as getting off my button doing this, here is the review I promised some of you guys, the Yankee Hill Machine 5M1 compensator. Alright, now before we get into the review, I just want to say that today I haven't had my coffee, worked a late shift last night, so I'm going to be stuttering and tripping over my words. And I'm not really going to put that much effort into editing it up because, well, I'm kind of lazy. Coffee's brewing in the background, so let's just dive right into this, alright? So what we have here is a highly effective, low-cost compensator that I honestly got in. It's probably one of the best accessories I've gotten from my AR to date. Alright, so this is not a flash hider. This is a compensator, and if you don't know what the difference is, you can see here, a flash hider takes the dissipates the gases exiting the barrel and produces a lower flash report after each shot, or with each shot. A compensator actually redirects said gases to reduce recoil and reduce muzzle rise, which inadvertently allows you for a more controllable gun and quicker follow-up shots. Alright, so why would someone get one of these? Or why would someone choose a compensator over a flash hider? There's a handful of reasons. They want to shoot faster, have faster follow-up shots and stay on target more. Maybe, and this can include 223, 556. Not everyone handles a gun the same way you do. Recoil can be an issue. Comps really do a great job of reducing recoil. Or legality reasons, like in my state, if you want to have a detachable magazine, you can't have a flash hider, you have to go with a compensator. Alright? So, in the vast world of AR-15 accessories, and in the bigger world of gun accessories itself, there are many, many, many different options out there for compensators. And they can range anywhere from $20 to $400 depending on what brand you go with, what they do, and how many bells and whistles they offer. Some offer little to no recoil. Some brag that they have the best follow-up shot capabilities out there. Designs can get really complex to where you can actually adjust how much gas is escaping from each little port and whatnot, and materials that they're made out of, and so on and so forth. And let's just move on. So, yeah, there's a lot of comps that do a lot of different things, but ultimately they are meant for redirecting the gas to reduce kick and reduce rise. Alright, so what do you get when you order one of these things, and how much do they cost? Well, I got mine as a gift last year's Christmas, and for my fiance's build, she liked mine so much that I had to get one for her, which got her into ARs, so I got hers for about $24, $26 total for shipping, I think. They're really not that expensive, and all around it's a really great comp. Alright, so what do you get? Well, what you see here is what you get. Little dime bag, little card with the address, phone number, fax, hours of operation, and a serial number. Can't speak, I need my coffee. Crush washer and a comp. For $20, don't expect a diamond ring box or anything else special. You don't really need it anyways. Alright. So design wise, it is a 5-row dual slotted design with the bottom left unmilled or untouched, and that is for shooting prone or to assist shooting prone without having much dirt kick back up to you. And the tip has teeth on it. We'll get into that next. So, like any other review, we'll start from the top and work our way back. And we'll just go ahead and get the obvious out of the way. Hey, this thing has spikes on it. Cool. So, why the spikes are there, and this is from the website, it's for hand-to-hand situations and combat. So if someone grabs your muzzle or barrel, you can use these spikes to help fight or combat against that and get your barrel, or, get your gun released from said assailant or combatee. And I know there are other brands out there like Torex or DPMS. I probably said that first one wrong. They have more sharper needle-like spikes, and I know you're probably thinking, these don't look that sharp. They actually do got quite a bite to them, and probably at the end of all this, I'll run a video of some of the testing we did, and just some of the little skirmish simulations that we do, or that I've done to see how well these work. And they, like I said, it does work really well. I'd almost say almost as well as, or just short of actually having a bayonet on the end of your barrel to help release your gun from being grabbed. Obviously, a bayonet sometimes isn't really the most practical idea, especially inside a house. Moving on. Going down through my talking points here: design, spikes. Some of the reports or some of the complaints with the spikes or any spike comp is that it could possibly chew up your gun bag, rifle bag, whatever you have. I have, or these comps have been in our Condor bags. It's been in a hard case with the foam little sandwich egg crate things, and in a soft case, and we have had no problems with it. No wear or tear to what you might think would come up with sharp little pointy objects rubbing against your bag. Alright, so moving on, there's a better look at the spikes. The bottom two are left dull, whatever. Alright.